The most common mistake flippers make is they underestimate the cost of repairs. Just like with ARV, in order to calculate a good buy price, you need to accurately estimate how much the repairs are going to be. Currently, as of this recording, with a hot real estate market and a general shortage in labor and materials combined with inflation, prices keep going up, making it really difficult to predict with certainty what it will actually cost to renovate. This is one of the biggest challenges for flippers right now. Estimating that the rehab will cost $25,000 and then in actuality it costs $40,000 can drastically cut into profits. While that can happen to anyone, smart flippers make it a habit to learn what it costs to rehab a house. They get multiple bids to learn the going prices for things. And what I do is I always do a comparison between my projected cost per item and then the actual cost per item. That way I know where to adjust and I continually get better at projecting cost.